Hi, for challenge number 2, you're going to create a student example. So you're going to log in into Adobe Spark. You're going to click on the big plus, scroll all the way down, click on create a web page. You're going to do like you did on the first challenge, which is to select a theme and then edit the title. I'm doing an example of a biography and then do a subtitle. Click on the plus to add a background picture. I have my picture selected, so I'm just going to upload pictures for this one. So that's going to be my first picture, and as I scroll down, the menu shows up again. I'm going to do the split layout to start with. I'm going to add one image on the left side, just going to be that one, and then on my right side I'm going to add text. So I'm going to select these two paragraphs, click on plus, click on the text, paste the text that I've copied. I'm going to go ahead and bold this. As you can see, you can highlight and just make changes to parts of the text. If you want to switch them, you can try that. I think I like it like this better. I'm going to click on the plus here again, and I'm going to add a button. For the button, I'm going to link this button to a biography page, biography site. So I already have the page right here. I'm going to go ahead and select and highlight and copy the URL, go back to Spark, paste it, and I want it to be centered, so I'm going to click on the alignment right here, and I save that, and that's my button that links to that site. I'm going to click on the plus, and over here I'm going to add a video. So I've already selected a video, and I am going to click on the share, copy the video, go back to Spark, and paste it right there, and click on save. And then the video is embedded in here. I'm going to click on the plus, and I am going to do the photo grid. So I select photo grid, and I'm going to upload some pictures. I'm going to do this one, this one, this one, and this one, and click on choose, and my pictures are here. If I want to move them around, I can just click on this one, move it that way, and I think that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and save it, and I'm going to add a caption. Some of Thomas Edison's inventions. And then I'm going to click on the plus again, and now I'm going to add a glide show. For that, I'm going to upload a few pictures. Let's do this one, and this one. I'm going to click on choose, and I think I want this one to be on top, so I'm going to move that one over there. And that looks, oh, and I think I want this one to be on top too, so that's how I want them. So when I'm satisfied, I just go ahead and click on save, and so it takes me back to the website, and it will give me these boxes where I can add text. So I'm gonna put Thomas Edison as a child, then scroll down, and there's this, oh, add the text. And then this is Thomas and Mina, his wife, Edison. And then I'm going to do this one too. Add another little caption here. And we're done. So that's what the second challenge asks you to do. And then you're going to preview it. So you click on preview, and it's going to load a preview of your site. So you click on it, and you just make sure that, click on your links to make sure everything's working. Try out your video. Looks like it's working, so I'm just going to close it. See if you're happy with everything. And if everything looks good, you can just click on the X to close the preview. You're going to go back here into share, click on share, publish and share link. Make sure everything is the way you want it. I'm just gonna unclick that and I'm gonna click on create link, and that gives me a link. I'm gonna copy that and I need to paste it into my student page. So I'm just gonna go right here, insert the link, and I am done.